Deccan Plateau or Peninsula Plateau is the largest plateau in India, which forms most of the southern part of India, bordered by two mountain ranges, the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. It covers 5 lakh square kilometers in area. The plateau was formed due to the geological processes, mainly volcanic eruption, over millions of years. About 65 million years ago, the Indian plate was moving northward towards the Eurasian plate. As it moved, there was a large plum of molten rock rising from the mantle beneath the Indian plate. This caused massive volcanic eruptions for several million years. The lava which comes out from the volcano solidified to a tableland. This tableland is known as Deccan Plateau.